Okay, so today I have here my two JBL FLIP5 wireless Bluetooth speakers, and these speakers have this PartyBoost mode. So this is the successor of the previous Connect Plus. So if you look on these speakers here, you see this symbol here, this kind of twisted 8 here, and so this is the PartyBoost mode. And so now we're going to connect these two together so that we can play these here. I'm going to show you how this is done. So I start out by just turning both speakers on. Alright, so and now I have this one speaker here. It's been previously connected or paired with my iPhone here. So that's why you see here this Bluetooth icon is now lit up. And as opposed to this one here, which is not lit up here. So this has never been paired with my phone here. And so in case you need help with pairing your phone to the speaker, then check out my video here in the upper right corner. So I'm going to show you this. It's pretty easy, but in case you need help, check it out. And so now we have this speaker already paired. And I also have downloaded here this JBL Connect app. I'm going to start this. So you don't really need this app in order to play this in PartyBoost mode, but it kind of shows you a little bit better what's going on. So now here the app has found the first FLIP5, which is here connected. And now to get into this PartyBoost mode, we just push the buttons here with the PartyBoost icon on it, on each speaker. So you hear the jingle that they enable the PartyBoost mode. And then if we go back here to my phone, then you see here now we have the speaker. And then you see here the little ball here that rotates around it. And also here at the top it says JBL FLIP5 plus JBL FLIP5. So we have now attached this speaker here to the first one. So now they can play either in PartyBoost mode, in party mode, or in stereo. So stereo is just one is the left speaker, the other one is the right speaker. And then the party mode is kind of mixing it all together. So now we start playing here in this PartyBoost mode. So now I go here just to the music app. Going to start playing here. Not sure if you can recognize this. Maybe if you have headphones on, then you can hear here that this is now playing in this PartyBoost mode. So both speakers are playing right now. Right? Okay, so both speakers were playing. Okay, so now that I'm here back in the app, now we can also switch it to stereo mode. I'm going to show you how this sounds like. I'm going to keep playing here. And now we have both speakers here playing in stereo mode. So one of them is the left speaker, the other one's the right speaker. And so in case you like that better. Yeah, so this is how this is done. How to play the JBL FLIP5 in PartyBoost mode. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos about this JBL FLIP5 speaker.